Hello, Whimsy Ray fans. This is Rachel. I am here with Taraji P. Not really, but I'm here with her drawing of Taraji P. This is a textured mixed media art piece that I did of Taraji P. Henson. You can see her on Friday if you'd like to in person. Of course, you know that photos and videos don't do artwork justice many times. So come see her and see what she looks like in real life. Well, you can't, but anyway, the drawing anyway, you can. But I will be at Genesis Block Friday, June 25th at 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. It is my first solo art exhibition for Whimsy Ray's Artistry or for myself. And I will be there showing and explaining my artwork to others. The reason why I chose Taraji P is because she's full of inspiration, a very amazing Black woman. She's multi-talented. And like many other Black women that I've drawn and have drawn and are drawing for this exhibit, she displays a strength, an inner strength, of course, that a lot of people can't help but to notice about Black women in general. So she does display it very well. I wanted to have her eye expression just a little bit elevated and the eye squinted a little bit on that side, because to me that's the look that she's known for in every part of acting she's ever done in any movie. That's part of her, who she is, her character, that little look she gives. And I know you know what I'm talking about. It's like, don't mess with me kind of look, I don't know, or a serious look, you know. But anyway, this is Taraji P. Henson, and she's got some like gems or some emerald jewelry there. I wanted her to be more the background bright, because to me she's overcame and overpowered so many obstacles in her personal life to get where she is as an artist. And if she can do it, so can you, and so can I. So this is my artist rendition of Taraji P. It is an original drawing. All my work is original, and it will be at Genesis Block, again, Friday, June 25th. It'll be on display for about 2 months. You're more than welcome to go there and check it out. So thank you very much for your time. This is Whimsy Ray's Artistry. You can also check me out at whimsyraysartistry.com.